The Q&A visual is also called as a question and answer visual. Okay, it is one of the feature of, or it is the powerful feature of Power BI, or it is exciting feature that is available in Power BI. With this, we can delve deeper into the data and improve or enhance our dashboard creation with the help of the artificial intelligence running behind this Power BI. In the last session, I was talking about the key influencer visual and decomposition tree. Those two visuals were enabled by or powered by artificial intelligence. Similarly, the Q&A visual is also powered by artificial intelligence. For example, now the next question is, when can I use Q&A visual? Okay, so because this Q&A visual is this one, right? So I just go back to this page, previous page. For example, here, right, so I already created. Let me just remove this. For example, in this page, I'm going to simply double click on the empty space. Automatically, a visual got created. You don't have to drag and drop anything. See, alternatively, see, you look here, Q&A is available under the visualizations pane. There are two ways you can create the Q&A visual. One is you can click on this one under the visualization, or simply in the empty canvas, when you double click on it, automatically the Q&A visual gets created here. And when you just resize it, you can see all the things, right? So in this case, using Q&A, we can ask the Power BI a natural language question and get an answer in the form of a visual. Okay. So if I click over here, right, so you can see that the Power BI already has some auto-generated questions which relates to our data set. And here, listen, if I say total quantity or something like that, if I type something here, total quantity, and if you click on this, look here, it gives me the answer here. Okay. For example, let's say, total sales. So whatever questions that comes to your mind, if you type it by region, right, and then in stack the chart. Look here, total sales by region stack. So Africa. Here I have selected that one. Let me do one thing. I just go back to this one, the bookmark, and I just go to the overall performance. Look here. Here I just type total sales by region in stack chart. I just typed it. You don't have to, in this case, what we can understand is we don't have to drag and drop the visuals, and you don't have to do all the things. Okay, simply you just type a question in a visual. Okay, it is a natural language question, and you can get an answer in the form of visual. And you can specify the type of the chart. For example, you want to have the clustered chart. You can specify clustered chart. Region in region in normalization of column chart. Okay, column chart. The moment you type column chart, it is showing you in column chart. Total sales by region in column chart. Whatever you want, you just type it here. Okay, you can get answer in the form of visual. And for example, if you don't specify anything here, right, we can specifically type of the chart also. So here's total sales by region. Since I mentioned it, since the region names are bigger, automatically it chooses the right chart. Instead of using the column chart, it decides automatically which chart is appropriate in this situation. Look here, it uses the horizontal or the horizontal chart, right? That is what is happening there. Stack to call, okay. So in this case, this is how, right? The Power BI, Microsoft Power BI make use of artificial intelligence. And it also suggests all the questions. For example, simply if you don't do anything, what is RV sale, maximum sale, right? Based on this thing, I just remove it, and I just double click on it. Look here, it just all the questions also. What are the questions we can ask? What is the average salary? And what are the questions that we can ask, right? This is maximum sale, minimum sale, average sale, count of dim hours, show all suggestions. Look here, when you click on show all suggestions, show dim date, date, years, and date hierarchy, show total sales by return. So that is also available. Look here, total sales by return. So no, yes. So this is the return and this is the non-return products. You can see that one also. So hope you understood, the power of Q&A visual. We don't have to plot a chart. We don't have to do anything. You just simply click on the Q&A visual, or simply if you double click on the empty space of the canvas, the Q&A visual get created. And also it makes suggestions, what kind of questions you can ask. And if you wanted to, if you wanted to view certain report based on the data that are available in this thing, report canvas, right? You can type the question like I shown you, sales by region, by years, right? You can specify that way. So it automatically creates the charts based on the questions, whatever you asked it, okay, type it. So now you understood the, the power of this one. Okay, this is what Q&A visual is all about.